welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be on this look right here that I created using only affordable and drugstore makeup. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm using this e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer just because I feel like my skin's been super dry lately. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Brow Pencil Enhancer. And I kind of struggled using this product, but I feel like once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad for $2, guys. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. And before I go in with the damp beauty sponge, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray that my foundation lasts all day. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. I like to use this because it helps my eyebrows stay in place, and I like how it makes them look so natural. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay BETTERSKIN Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just going to apply that to the areas that I want to highlight, like my forehead, my nose, under the eyes, and Cupid's bow, and the chin area. Next, I'm taking the COTY AIRSPUN Translucent Powder, and I like to leave it on before I start doing my eyeshadow, because once I do my eyeshadow, I have fallout, I can just dust it off with the translucent powder. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, and I'm taking the bottom transition color. It's more of like a warm tone transition shade, and I'm just applying that on my crease. And all the brushes I'm using in this video are either BEIGE Cosmetics or Morphe. Now I'm taking the lighter orange shade, and with the pencil brush, I'm going to be putting it right inside the crease, focusing more on the outer corner, and then I'm going to move onto the inner corner. Next, I'm taking this burnt orangey red shade, and in the same spot, I'm going to apply it on the outer and inner corner of the eye using that same brush. In between each color that I'm using, I'm going to be taking the blending fluffy brush, and I'm taking that same warm tone transition shade that I used in the beginning just to blend everything out so that there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking the hot pink shade, and I'm applying it a little bit closer to the inside of the outer and inner corner of the eye, just to make it a little bit darker and to add more dimension. Now I'm taking the dark brown shade, and I'm only applying a little bit on the outside and inside because it's pretty pigmented. I don't want it to look a little too muddy. So as you can see, I kind of did a little bit too much in the inside, so I put it on the other side of the eye. And just, wiping it back and forth I'm blending it out. So again, I'm going to be taking the warm tone transition color and blending all of the colors together before I move on to the halo effect, which you can use with any concealer or any eyeshadow primer. And I'm taking the white shade and putting it on my brow bone. This is the only product that I ended up using just because I feel comfortable using this as a glitter shadow primer. This is the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And once I applied that, I'm just blending the rest of the colors. Not adding any more product, just taking that same brush. I'm blending the primer with the rest of the eyeshadow look. Now I'm taking the champagne glittery color, more of like a shimmer, and I'm applying it over the concealer or the primer. You can choose to put liquid eyeliner or a winged liner. It'd be super cute for like fall, but I just chose not to. So after that, I'm just gonna dust off all of the translucent powder. Next, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. To set the contour, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. After that, I'm going to take all of the colors I used for the inner and outer corner of the eyes on the lower lash line, because I honestly don't even use eyeliner. Like, I literally don't own an eyeliner. Now I'm taking my favorite lashes by Kiss. These are in the style number 11. And after I put those on, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in Blackest Black. And lastly, I'm taking the ColourPop Liquid Lip in the shade Beeper. And that completes the final look. I hope you guys liked it. It's perfect for fall. Let me know what you guys want to see next down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.